XRP holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If you're looking at the markets, I'm sure you guys know at this point, Wednesday was a great day for the crypto markets, a long way to jump, a little bit of a relief, and we have finally seen that. And as we are going into Thursday morning, the momentum is still there as of now. XRP up 5.2%. Let's briefly take a look at the price. We're going to go over a lot of details right now. Again, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end. So the price is $2.70, up 5.1% in USD, up 4% in Bitcoin. Comparative market cap at 155.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 4.7 billion dollars. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So shortly after Brazil, ETF filing for XRP, Brazilian bank, Barza Bank is launching a new stablecoin pegged to the Brazilian real on Ripple's blockchain, XRPL ledger. Yes, you've heard that correct. Finally seeing things happening. And remember, this is just the absolute start. Once you see more bigger organizations, banks, really taking a part of the XRP ledger, that's really where the native token, of course, is used for liquidity purposes. And of course, the demand factor increases. Right now, I understand, as of now, I think demand is, of course, from people that already understand, XRP, retail investors. But as of now, there's no, official announcement regarding the lawsuit coming to an end. Yes, we have been hearing major developments coming out regarding the lawsuit, and how the chances of this lawsuit actually being dropped is quite high at this point. But you're really seeing things getting done. All the puzzle pieces are starting to align, and I could not be more excited as to what the future holds. But now look at this. This is something I really want to kind of go based off of today, because I've been hearing a lot of people talking about market top this, market top that. And look at this. Blockstream CEO Adam Back claims we're certainly in the early stages of a bull market. He really goes into detail in this update how, if you're looking at historically speaking, having the year after that, you do tend to see whole year tend to be, bullish. Not full year, of course, you do see tend to see consolidation, choppy levels. But this time around, the strategic reserve, and he brings up such a good point. Imagine, another country, launches a strategic Bitcoin reserve before the U.S. And then, you start to see all these countries coming together, starting to kind of compete with one another. What really happens? And he brings such an excellent point. You get to a point where, gold ETFs, money starts flowing into Bitcoin. Imagine, a moment like that. I know a lot of people are going to be like, this sounds crazy, but, a lot of things sounded crazy back in the past, right? And here we are, those things really becoming a reality. And at this point, which of course, Bitcoin is labeled as digital gold. I don't see why, this cannot become a reality. But ETF flows, again, another example, around 670 Bitcoin were sold and 7,110 Ethereum were bought. And you're actually seeing Ethereum inflows actually exceeding Bitcoin's, which again is very interesting shift that we're seeing here right now. But the demand, right now is just too high. Even if you look at it from a real, the dollar cost averaging an aspect, if you look at it from massive institutions, or, just retail in general, you're looking at too much demand coming in. So, all the mined Bitcoins that are being mined, it's not outweighing the demand. Not a lot of people are paying attention to this. People are paying attention to, these small wicks, these small consolidations, not focusing on the bigger picture, but that's what we need to be focused on. And of course, I'm sure if you did watch my other update, if not, Trump signs executive orders to end Biden's war on Bitcoin and crypto, stating the war is over. And I'm sure if you did watch this, you guys know about this. Donald Trump has, of course, talked about crypto once again, which I think was a major catalyst, believe it or not, for Wednesday, where we did see the market, bouncing towards the upside, which of course, we're not really complaining about. But moving forward, with the anticipated listing of several altcoin ETFs, a 2025, altcoins ETFs, 2025 could mark the year when altcoins transition from speculative investments to foundational assets in investment portfolios, especially once banks come into play as well. 2025 is the year XRP solidifies its place as a foundational asset in investment portfolios. Cannot agree more. Perfect statement from Smoke really coming in. And as of now, I think we haven't seen anything, compared to what we could end up seeing. But let's really now take a look at what's happening with the price of XRP going into Thursday morning. Now, if you're looking at the dominance index here, 61.12%. Obviously, we did see a little bit of a pull down for the dominance over the last few hours, which of course is nice to see because of course Bitcoin had a nice move towards the upside. But in terms of a bigger picture, we still don't need to be getting excited. Bitcoin cannot for the life of it get above $98,000, and you want to kind of look at it from a monthly perspective, because pretty much since the month started we have not seen the price of Bitcoin making its way above $100,000 for good, and that is how important it is. So we have seen quite a bit of consolidation, but you want to see that breakout. That is of course something that would be quite bullish if as far as bullish momentum is concerned. But let's take a look at what's happening with XRP right now. So I want to really take a look at XRP on the hourly scale. So of course right now, we did make our way back in the 23.6, which of course was amazing to see. Obviously, we're being supported by some of these two levels that we have obviously have built up. Most importantly, this year, and of course, last year when we did wick up to this 23.6 zone, but because in 2018, this 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level now is not a major support line. So all this support that we're building up right now, these resistances, it's more of due to this time around rather than the last time. But of course, the price of XRP is still in the 23.6. People fail to understand this, and we don't want to be forgetting this. Of course, nice consolidation. You want to really see this breakout, especially to the likes of this $2.83. And then of course, I think we could start pushing up to $3 plus. As of now, really nice. Yes, we are obviously seeing a little bit of a retracement, which of course I know a lot of people are going to come out and point out, but are we going to forget what's happening with Bitcoin? Absolutely not. Bitcoin needs, and I repeat, needs to pump out above $98,000. If it's able to do that, that could be a great sign for XRP to start moving. But again, we're going to take it one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. And also, let's really discuss ETF time frame. That's what I want to really discuss with you guys in the comments down below. When do you really think an XRP ETF gets approved? Do you think XRP ETF will get approved before the SEC lawsuit comes to an end? Or do you think we are going to see ETF, being approved beforehand? And is it going to be just one asset that's going to get an ETF, or all these acknowledged, asset filings that we have seen for these digital assets filings are all going to get approved at one, same exact time? And of course, that would be a major statement towards, which direction, we're really heading in. But again, that's the discussion I really want to have with you guys. And again, if you watch this video till the absolute end, guys, comment down below, Moon, to let me know you've watched this till the end. I, cannot thank you guys enough for all your support that you guys show me on a day-to-day basis. Continue supporting, and I will continue to bring out these updates. We'll see you later. Then Crypto ZX, and peace out.